It is Thanksgiving week and we are on our way to Trader Joe's to do our Thanksgiving prep shop. There's also been some new gift set releases or Christmas product stuff I want to pick up.
This is how you know Thanksgiving's close. Start drying out your bread.
Oh yeah. Table looks so cute. That would make such a cute little place setting. This is our first official meal in here. Those look glazed and glorious.
My buns.
Yum. Gnocchi from leftover mashed potatoes. And I just made the dough. It's a great day when I get to use my gnocchi press. Hi guys. Very sunny. Honey?
Yes.
Are you okay?
I'm great.
Happy Monday. I can't tell if I'm in focus because I can't see. I also can't breathe, so please apologize. I apologize for my... Okay. It's just the snot's in the bad place where it like won't come out, but it's just like gagging, choking me, so...
My throat's on fire.
Still?
Yes.
Oh, we need to get you some ice chips. It really helps.
I was hoping you were to say ice cream.
Either one.
We need to get you some ice cream.
But it is Monday, it is Thanksgiving week, and we are on our way to Trader Joe's to do our weekly shop, but also our Thanksgiving prep shop. We've got our turkey, we've got a lot of things already, gobble gobble, but we just need more things. Vegetables, celery and shiz for stuffing. There's also since I've been, like some new, more what? There's also been some new like gift set releases or like Christmas product stuff I want to pick up, so I'm excited to be here today. So here we go. Okay guys, we're back from the store millions of dollars later.
Oof.
Bradley is making cornbread because it needs a few days to dry out for his stuffing.
This is how you know Thanksgiving's close. Start drying out your bread.
Whose recipe do you use?
I
think it's Pioneer Woman, right?
No. I'm gonna think of it.
That looks so good.
Who's the really famous woman?
Martha Stewart?
Martha Stewart.
Good luck for me not eating this as it's drying out, because...
This has happened every year.
Yum. But I just thought I would give you like a quick overview. We were like completely out of Milo snacks. They haven't had these in a while. Normal stuff bananas. I got some flowers since we're hosting a Thanksgiving, some oregano, sauces, special cookies. This was new and I'm excited about it. Sparkling Honeycrisp apple juice. Yum. Some baking stuff, potatoes for Thanksgiving, white bread for the stuffing, and then just sourdough because we bought a loaf last week and we went through it so fast. It was delicious. We picked up this, which I've seen people talk about this for years, but I've never actually tried it, but the like whipping cream in a thing. People love this because it's like shelf stable, so you keep it in your pantry, but we're making pie, so we got that. Lots of stock for everything. Pears for the cranberry sauce. I'm going to try Becca Bristow's recipe this year. Lemons, bunch of onions, mushrooms for some stuffed mushrooms. The brie bites are back. I just recently did like a holiday Trader Joe's haul. I'll link it up in the corner where I mentioned these are back. We already ate through them, so those are good. Milo string cheese and also cheddar cheese for sausage biscuits and just for snacking. Turkey, green beans for Thanksgiving, parsley, celery, carrots, apples. We got a Caesar salad kit, which we'll probably eat tonight with dinner. Orange juice for the cranberry sauce, but also with my sausage balls, I like to have orange juice. Some frozen fruit for smoothies, some corn for creamed corn, eggs. I did pick up a box of butternut squish mac and cheese because I only have one left. And I've learned that I don't need to stockpile like 10 for the rest of the year, but some is good. We got heavy whipping cream for corn and, you know, Thanksgiving things. Milk. And then over here I have berries because I need to wash them, but I set aside some of the things I was very excited about. I saw these months ago and our Trader Joe's never got them, but they got in like silicone baking mats. So we got the red and then this like teal color. There's also like a dark blue, but I'm excited to try that out. They're only $5. So if we love them, we'll be back for more. This body butter trio, you guys know I have like a love-hate relationship with Trader Joe's beauty stuff, but these smelled incredible. There's lavender, white gardenia, and pineapple bergamot, and they all smelled literally insane. So I got that. Probably most excited for this, the hot cocoa whipped body scrub. I love their body scrubs. The make or break for me is the sense of them, but I think I will enjoy hot cocoa. And so cute for a gift. And then also, I wasn't gonna get this, but I really wanted to try it out for you guys, and it just was so cute. It's the shimmering candy cane body butter, and shimmering honestly got me. And I thought it was $10. It was $6. That's not bad at all. So, yeah. Oh, and I was very excited that the olive wood spoons are back. That we have one, and it's my very favorite spoon to use when cooking, so I purchased another one. So that's our gajillion dollar Trader Joe's haul. And now we gotta put it all away. Hi guys, happy Wednesday, happy afternoon. It is happy Halloween. It is about 5, day before Thanksgiving. This eyebrow looks crazy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, honey. Cover that up. Violet, incredible style. What's their last name? Par. But we are starting Thanksgiving prep. We are of course behind, but we're starting. We're gonna start with pie. I wanted to make some cookies, but we're out of chocolate chips. I just texted a neighbor. Hopefully we can bum some off of them. So not mine, but the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies I made on Halloween, we wanna make again. Pie stuffing, Bradley wants to make his rosemary salt. The neighbor just said they don't have chocolate chips. I'll try another neighbor. Bradley wants to make his rosemary salt for the turkey tomorrow, and I think that's it. Stuffing, pie, maybe cookies, rosemary salt. And clean, and prep, and all the things. So we'll see ya. So we just put the leaf in the table. I set this up the other day. I still had this, we got this on sale actually after Halloween for $2. These candlesticks, which were from the Target dollar spot, and then these are from H&M. And then I just got some flowers at Trader Joe's, and I have these two matching vases, which honestly I don't know where they're from, but I love that they're matching. I just laid out our normal everyday plates to see what they look like. They look good. I think I'm gonna dust and tidy everything else in here. Might as well. Okay, dinner has been had. We both have showered, as you can see. Milo's in bed, and now we are making stuffing. So got all the parts in the works. Just sauteed up the veggies and the sage. We got the egg and broth mixture. The bread, this is cornbread and white bread. Again, this is a Martha Stewart recipe. I think we can link down below. We also, and by we I mean Bradley, has a pie in the oven. I follow this lovely lady on TikTok. Her name is Carmen in the Garden. She kind of reminds me of like a modern day Ina Garden. Like she has that sophistication. She's classy and she seems really sweet, and she does really good gardening content, and now she does like recipes. And she made a salted caramel pumpkin pie with pretzel crust. And so that's what we're making. Probably not a great idea to try a new pie recipe like and have it as our only.
We're also about to make salted caramel.
But the pumpkin chocolate chip cookies are not happening because we were out of chocolate chips and none of the neighbors had any, and I wasn't in the mood to go to the store. Both the puppies are snoozing. Ludo's wondering what smells so good. Gotta clean up toys. Everything's like picked up. We just kind of have to like clean and pick up before tomorrow. I cleaned everything in here, just needs a vacuum. And I need to move that plant, but this is gonna be our first official holiday or event ever in the dining room. And we're very excited. We're gonna have to drag chairs. We think we have decided on chairs. I have big updates for the dining room, which we'll get into that maybe after Thanksgiving. I'll show you what we have planned. All right, stuffing, it is cooled, it's in the fridge. Just pulled the pie out, which it looks beautiful. And then our caramel topping. This has to cool a bit before we put that on top, and then it all sets overnight. So we're gonna start a movie while everything cools and try to stay awake. Wish us luck. So if you've never seen it, Planes, Trains, and Automobiles should not be looked over. It is an excellent Thanksgiving film. One of the only Thanksgiving films. It's got Steve Martin and John Candy. John Hughes directed it, wrote it? Both. If you're into like Home Alone, you will be into it. It's incredible. I'll admit my dad used to force me to watch it every year growing up, and I was like, ugh. But now he's not here, and I still watch it multiple times in the month. It is a, in my opinion, perfect film. Hilarious, heart-warming, heart-wrenching. Has one of my very favorite twists in a movie ever, which that's kind of spoiler, huh? Whatever. The movie's like 40 years old. I want you to be intrigued enough to watch it. But it's a great movie. Every November, the Thanksgiving things we watch: Planes, Trains, and Automobiles, Charlie Brown Thanksgiving, which I ranted about on my Instagram story how much I loathe Peppermint Patty. It's intense to call a cartoon character the C word, but I'm gonna do it. Not actually. Peppermint Patty is nasty to Charlie Brown and that, and even though I hate it, we watch it every year. Friends episodes, obviously, Bob's Burgers episodes. They have some of the greatest Thanksgiving episodes. Oh, last year we watched some of the How I Met Your Mother Slapsgiving episodes. Those are good. So let us know your favorite Thanksgiving things to watch. I did see, remember that movie we watched earlier this year, Dan in Real Life with Steve Carell? I didn't realize it's a Thanksgiving movie. They're there for Thanksgiving.
Is that true?
Yeah, but I didn't remember that detail. It was kind of a weird movie, but I also kind of liked it. But yeah, would love to know your Thanksgiving movie, TV recommendations. I'm all tucked in, ready to watch. Hey guys, I haven't like vlogged face to face, and of course we're blurry. Great. But things are underway. I am making cranberry sauce. The nasty ass turkey's behind me. Bradley's gonna get that on the smoker. Potatoes are peeled and cut. I Googled and you can keep them in like water in the fridge for up to 24 hours before using them, so I did that. Stuffing's pre-made, as you saw. Our pie failed. The caramel did not set. Bradley's making green beans. Ooh, we're steamy from the cranberries. I got ready, just not dressed, just in case I spilled or something. All right, so our table looks so cute. I actually found one of these leaves in the yard yesterday, and I was like, that would make such a cute little place setting. So I used like a rose gold Sharpie and wrote on them. We still need to like get napkins and silverware. We also don't have 6 matching cups, so we're doing a plethora of cups. Milo obviously doesn't need one, but I just thought it looks so nice. This is our first official meal in here, and I'm really excited about it. Got a little bit of decor. I'll probably light this candle, but not all of these. The heat that this thing radiates is wild, obviously. And then I'll of course light these two, but I just thought it looked really nice in here, and I'm excited to enjoy a meal in here for the first time. Also, take a look at these buns. Literally stunning. Oh my God, you gotta brush them with butter, babe. And my cranberry sauce is underway. It smells incredible. We're just kind of tidying. We're actually in like good, we must be forgetting something, but.
Oh no, the child.
No, child's fine. Chilling. Wow, I have a great shot. Those look glazed and glorious.
My buns.
Yum. All right, I got dressed. I just realized that I wore this outfit, which is just like this maroon dress from Target from the Knox Rose collection. And then this matching headband that like matches perfectly. I've worn it the last 2 Thanksgivings, so this is my 3rd in a row wearing it. So it's officially my Thanksgiving outfit, but it feels festive and it's comfy and it's easy to chase my toddler in. And yeah, still babysitting this cranberry sauce. People should be arriving any minute, and we're in pretty good shape. Friends, it is now Monday evening. It has been a while since I picked up the camera. We had some events this weekend. We've also been decorating, so I've been vlogging, but for a separate video. Yeah, we had Thanksgiving here, as you saw. The day after, we had Bradley's family's Thanksgiving, like his big extended family at his house, so we did that. Then on Saturday, we had Bradley's friends' Friendsgiving. So it was a very Thanksgiving heavy week. Can I set you here? But I saw a TikTok. I think her name is Leah Victoria. Fabulous TikTok, highly recommend. I think she's like from New Jersey, and she has a thick accent, and she's very like sarcastic yet positive. She's the best. But she made a video about how to make gnocchi from leftover mashed potatoes, and I just made the dough, and I'm really excited about it. You guys know gnocchi's probably like my favorite food. Gnocchi and cheeseburgers. And it's a great day when I get to use my gnocchi press. This is from Amazon. It's in my storefront, but I'll link it down below as well. So now I'm just gonna like roll it out, cut it, and then
every single Italian restaurant, if you want to know what Amy orders, every single Italian restaurant, she says, "Do you have gnocchi?" And they're like, "Yes." And she says, "Can I get gnocchi with pink sauce?" and it's gonna come to the table, it's gonna have some parsley on it, and she's gonna ask for a side of parsley. And she always says, I know this is a weird request, can I get a side of parsley?
Because
and she means a lot of parsley.
It's because half the time they're like, parsley? I'm like, yeah, parsley, babe.
And there used to be a restaurant by our old apartment, Market City in downtown Burbank. And did you order gnocchi there? Probably.
No, I got the spaghetti there. Their spaghetti was fantastic.
You liked the spaghetti there. I always would get ravioli there. Ravioli was a big thing there. It was like a different thing each night of like, what, sorry, I'm not helping as I stand there.
Well, no, I'm trying to get it to focus on you instead of me.
She asked for a side of parsley. You want to know more about Amy? Do people know that you hate cilantro? I also just recently found out, I always thought Amy was dramatic about her hatred of cilantro, which you are, but it's like a biological thing.
Not
like
dramatic.
there's like a third to like 2/5 of the population that just like
It tastes terrible.
biologically, physically does not like the taste of cilantro.
You know what I thought the other day though? I should try it while I have long COVID and everything tastes weird. What if it's delicious to me at this moment?
But sure enough, she asked for a side of parsley and they fucking brought her cilantro and she poured it all over the spaghetti. And she had to be like, I'm sorry, you brought me cilantro, not parsley. I need new spaghetti. Their spaghetti was so good because they just put a dollop of ricotta on top.
It was so good. That was hard to send it back, but like there was no, if there's the tiniest bit of cilantro in my mouth, I want to scream. I could not eat it like that, so. And that waiter wasn't very nice. He was like, that's not cilantro. I'm like, take a bite, sir.
Yeah, little insight to Amy.
You have me pegged. None of that was wrong.
Gnocchi, pig sauce, a lot of parsley.
Which is what we're gonna have right now. Okay, so this looks terrible, but it tastes good. I just put some.
Terrible.
Look at my plate. First of all, I did them too long, but I went with some Rayo sauce and just some dried parsley. Bradley did like olive oil and cheese, and now some balsamic.
It's a little strange, but tasty.
But it's good, and Bradley just said it's impressive for it being leftover mashed potatoes.
And you made it so quick. Like,
I know. It was fun. So yeah, there you go. Homemade gnocchi.